Today, we'll be fixing curtain on my door and my window. So as you guys know, I'm fixing my room. When I came back from the Netherlands, this is my room in the village. When I came back from the Netherlands, I painted it. I added some flowers. I don't know if you guys can see that flower up there. For now, that is the only flower that will be here until I get other things. So little by little, I'm adding the things that I want. And the reason I'm doing this is for this room to, be more comfortable for me to stay till I get back to the Netherlands. I just like being comfortable, and not just only that, also for my contents. I want to give you guys a good view. So here are the curtains. I sent my younger brother money to make the curtains for me in the town. That's in Enugu town, because he's in school, he's in Isut. So he went to the market, he made these curtains for me, and he sent it down from Enugu yesterday to the village. So let's see it together. I really don't know what it looks like, but I know it's a beautiful color because I gave him a color. I don't know what to tell you the color, but let's check it out together. Okay, I'll just get this thing. Wow. Okay. I actually thought it would be a dull color, which I would have loved. But it's a shiny gray. Well, it's still fine. Put the receipt inside. So this is it. It's actually beautiful. And you guys know that gray goes with white a lot. Gray and black, they go with white a lot. So this is for maybe the door, because I actually made two. I wanted to make a shorter one for the window, but my brother just told me, just do them the same size. There's no need. So this is the second one. See? I wasn't expecting it to be, the shiny. Oh, okay. I made a mistake. This is the back. No, this is the front. You see, it's not that shining. And this is the back. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Because I was beginning to think, I was like, oh my God, what am I going to be doing with this shine? So, okay, I love this. I don't know if you guys can see the material. Can you see it very well? This is the material. So I also, yesterday I sent my other brother, but he was going to the location where they sell this thing. So all the books and everything is here. See? This and then. So everything is down here. Let me also bring the pole and show you. So guys, this is the pole. So I bought just one, and we are going to be dividing it into two. And it's a very long pole, right? Where are you there? Go back. Don't see it, don't see it. You see? This is how long the pole is. Can you see that? This is how long this. So we'll be sharing it into two, and one will be for the window and one for the door. So my younger brothers will be doing this for me. I know you always say brothers. Don't you have a sister? No, I do not have a sister. I am the only one. Now only me water from this family, and 4 boys. So let's go get the footballer junior. So I've called my brother. He's coming. I'm looking. Oh, that hammer will be used by the way. So my junior won't help me put that thing for one now. So hammer. We got a hammer. So waiting for Junior. You got your own name. I look for that one, sir. What? This one, no, this one. This one heavy. You can use this one. What happens to your lips?
Doesn't blow for clothes.
When? So what's happened? You brown black?
I just know. I don't know what I should give you.
This one are footballers. They crazy. Here. I had to pack my hair because the heat was just too much. See how I look like Jehovah's Witness people. I look like Jehovah's Witness people, but I actually like this. I don't know. I saw it in my mother's room. I would really like to know where she got this from, so I can get more. This is so comfy. It's so comfortable. I like it. So, is there space? Okay, there's no way for me to trick it. I'll just leave it like this. I'm gonna keep myself. See heat. Oh. Oh my God. I'm not going to this. So let's start work.
Did that do it?
Well, this is not going to now.
Yeah.
See the okay now.
I thought, I just never made it.
No, let's wait for the size and cook, the length.
Because we need this thing. That's no. That's this one. No. You got that one with the shower.
Yeah, they show that for this one. Those tiny ones. I have to finish it. I remove them from where they're supposed to be. Jesus. Victoria, so just because you guys want to come here, you went to wear a sweater and go and find singlets? Huh? In this heat? Oh. I think I tried that. Maybe you don't need it now, they will surface. I keep casting when you do. That's why you important something. If you knock this door again, I'll knock your head. You don't size them. No. You see, you didn't hear what I said before. We'll check the length. That of the length, you will know. I wish they thing long, we could go up. Down too much. Yeah, it's still up. Come down behind. Take it like that. Madam. Come down some. Okay. They use strong block and strong cement. The block they use in building this house is like only cement. It's very, very strong. This house is old. Have bread, Abby. Give me small. I want to take short breakfast. I like them.
to kill me.